stop right there. Are you still writing custom CSS because you think Tailwind can't handle the latest CSS features? What if I told you that you can use color mix, container queries, scroll-driven animations, and even view transitions, all within Tailwind's utility classes? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Tailwind's most underrated feature, arbitrary values. This is the square bracket syntax that basically turns Tailwind into a CSS superpower. Here's the syntax. It's beautifully simple. You wrap any CSS value in square brackets. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can use brand new CSS features that aren't even in Tailwind yet. Let me show you color mix. This is CSS's newest way to blend colors. See those underscores? That's how you add spaces in Tailwind's arbitrary values. The browser sees this as actual spaces in your CSS. Want to use the new OKLCH color space? No problem. The beauty here? You're still using Tailwind. No context switching. No separate CSS file. Everything stays in your HTML, where you can see it. Now let's level up. Container queries are a game changer for responsive design. Instead of responding to the viewport, your components respond to their parent container. First, install the official plugin. Add it to your config. Now watch this magic happen. See that? The card is responding to its parent width, not the screen size. This is revolutionary for component-based design. Quick pro tip before we wrap up. If you're using these features repeatedly, don't repeat it. Extend your Tailwind config. Now you can use, and there you have it. 3 powerful techniques to use any modern CSS feature with Tailwind CSS. If this unlocks something for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more Tailwind tips. Drop a comment below telling me which modern CSS feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.